Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a currency authentication device works, step by step. First, a banknote is inserted into the currency authentication device by a cashier, shopkeeper, bank staff member, or any user who wants to check whether the note is real or fake. This is the starting point of the verification process, and the machine prepares to examine the note carefully. Next, the sensors scan the banknote. In this stage, the machine uses optical sensors, light sensors, and image detection technology to capture the appearance of the note. As a result, the system begins collecting important information about the note's design, print quality, and visible features. After that, the device performs a UV and infrared check. Under ultraviolet and infrared light, genuine notes reveal hidden security features that are very difficult for counterfeiters to copy. Therefore, this step helps the machine identify invisible patterns and special marks that cannot be seen easily with a human eye. Then, the machine checks for magnetic ink detection. Many genuine banknotes contain special magnetic properties in certain printed areas, so the device tests whether the note has the correct magnetic response. In other words, it examines whether the ink and embedded security features behave like those of a real banknote. In the next step, the machine compares the note's size, thickness, color, and print match. This means the system checks whether the physical dimensions and printed details match the standard stored in its memory. If the note is too thick, too small, the wrong color, or has unusual printing, the machine may identify it as suspicious. Meanwhile, the device also verifies additional security features. For example, it may examine the watermark, security thread, microprinting, and serial number. These details are very important because genuine currency usually contains several layers of protection that make forgery much harder. After the full analysis is complete, the device makes a decision. At this point, it determines whether the banknote is genuine, suspicious, or counterfeit. So, instead of relying only on human judgment, the machine uses multiple checks together to make a more reliable conclusion. Finally, the result is displayed on the screen. The machine may show a pass message for a genuine note or a fail message for a counterfeit or suspicious one. In some devices, the note is returned to the user, while in others it may be accepted or separated for further action. Overall, a currency authentication device includes parts such as a note feeder, optical sensor, UV and infrared sensor, magnetic sensor, control processor, display screen, output tray, and power supply. Together, these parts help businesses, banks, and shops quickly detect counterfeit notes, improve accuracy, and reduce the risk of cash handling fraud. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.